Hello, I'm Charlie Clissett, the editor of the Eco Experts.
And I'm Josh Jackman, a senior writer here.
We're going to be talking about all the grants that are available to you if you're interested in getting an air source heat pump. And Josh is the man with the know-how. Can you tell me the details about the boiler upgrade scheme?
Absolutely. So this is a £450 million government initiative which can provide air source heat pump discounts to 90,000 households.
And how much will the heat pump cost with this scheme?
The scheme can give you a £5,000 discount, and air source heat pumps cost about 10 grand at the moment, so you can get one for £5,000.
How much would you expect to save with an air source heat pump compared to a gas boiler?
Over the course of its 20-year lifespan, an air source heat pump can save you £6,700 compared to a gas boiler.
So if you want the boiler upgrade scheme, how do you access it?
All you need to do is be a homeowner in England or Wales, have an energy performance certificate that is less than 10 years old. You can check that online, we'll put the link in the description, and then just talk to your installer about it and they should be able to apply the discount to your air source heat pump.
Okay, so let's leave England now and go to Wales. If you want a heat pump in Wales, is there any option that's better than the boiler upgrade scheme?
Yes, Nest Wales is a government scheme that can get you a free heat pump, as well as free insulation, free draft proofing, a whole host of energy saving measures. All you have to do is privately rent or own your home and be on certain benefits or have a chronic health condition.
Okay, we're leaving Wales now, going up to Scotland. What can people in Scotland do if they want a heat pump?
Just call Home Energy Scotland as long as your household contains someone who is a pensioner, disabled, a carer, or on certain benefits. If you own or privately rent your home, if your home is less than 230 square metres with an energy rating of 67 or below, and if Warmer Home Scotland hasn't given you energy funding in the past 5 years to make these kind of improvements.
Okay, great. So there are grants out there if you need them. Overall, is the situation hopeful for heat pumps in the UK in the next few years?
Yes, absolutely. It's already hopeful if you live in Scotland and Wales because you can access a free heat pump. In England, the situation is better than it was. You can get £5,000 off a heat pump, which is great. And we think that in the next few years, air source heat pumps are going to be even cheaper than they are now, which is also great news.
Excellent, there you have it. Well, I've been Charlie.
I've been Josh.
And if you want any more information about air source heat pumps, ground source heat pumps, or the grants to buy them, head to our website, theecoexperts.co.uk. Bye.